Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We hope you got very useful information from the first part of our video, and now we present the second part of keeping your vehicle in tip-top shape. Please listen carefully to all that we have put in these videos for you. The information is intended to greatly benefit you. This is information that we all as drivers need to hear. Our topic is a schedule of preventive tasks to keep your vehicle in good shape. We begin with the cooling system maintenance. The cooling system of your vehicle is crucial to its overall health and performance. It helps regulate the engine temperature, preventing it from overheating and causing substantial damage. To ensure your vehicle stays in good shape, it's important to regularly maintain the cooling system. For the cooling system, there are 3 essential tasks: checking the coolant level and quality, flushing and replacing the coolant, and inspecting hoses and belts. Checking coolant level and quality. Regularly checking the coolant level and quality is a simple yet important task that can prevent potential cooling system issues. The coolant, also known as antifreeze, not only helps regulate the engine temperature but also protects against corrosion and freezing. Here's how you can inspect the coolant level and quality. 1. Locate the coolant reservoir. Open the hood of your vehicle and locate the coolant reservoir. It is usually a translucent plastic container with a max and min level indicator. 2. Check the coolant level. Ensure the engine is cool before removing the reservoir cap. If the coolant level is below the min mark, you need to add more coolant immediately. Make sure to use the manufacturer recommended coolant type and mix it with distilled water if necessary. 3. Inspect the coolant quality. The coolant should appear clean and free from debris or discoloration. If you notice any contaminants or a rusty appearance, it may be time to flush and replace the coolant. Flushing and replacing coolant. Over time, coolant can become contaminated with dirt, debris, and other particles. Flushing and replacing the coolant at regular intervals is imperative for maintaining the cooling system's efficiency. Follow these steps to flush and replace the coolant. 1. Prepare the vehicle. Ensure the engine is cool and parked on a level surface. Gather the necessary tools, such as a drain pan, funnel, and the correct coolant type. 2. Locate the radiator drain valve. Look for the radiator drain valve at the bottom of the radiator. Place the drain pan underneath to catch the old coolant. 3. Drain the coolant. Carefully open the drain valve to release the old coolant. Allow it to fully drain before closing the valve. 4. Refill with fresh coolant. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to mix the coolant with distilled water if necessary. Use the funnel to pour the new coolant into the radiator or coolant reservoir. 5. Bleed the air. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes with the radiator cap off. This will help remove any trapped air bubbles in the system. Inspecting the hoses and belts. The hoses and belts within the cooling system play a vital role in maintaining proper circulation and preventing leaks. Regular inspections can help identify potential issues before they cause significant damage. Here's what you should do. 1. Check for cracks or leaks. Inspect the hoses for cracks, bulges, or leaks. Pay close attention to the connection points as they are more prone to deterioration. If you notice any issues, it's best to replace the affected hose promptly. 2. Inspect the belts. Look for signs of wear, fraying, or looseness in the belts. A damaged belt can lead to poor cooling system performance or even engine failure. If you spot any issues, consult a professional mechanic for a belt replacement. By following these preventive tasks for your vehicle's cooling system, you can ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Remember, a well-maintained cooling system will keep your engine running smoothly and protect it from overheating, ultimately saving you from costly repairs down the road. Stay tuned for more sections in our comprehensive guide to preventive vehicle maintenance. Note: always consult your vehicle's owner manual for specific instructions and recommended maintenance intervals tailored to your vehicle. A schedule of preventive tasks to keep your vehicle in good shape. Electrical system care. Taking care of your vehicle's electrical system is crucial to ensure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Neglecting it can lead to various issues, from dim headlights to a dead battery. In this section, we will discuss some essential preventive tasks that you can perform to keep your vehicle's electrical system in good shape. Testing and replacing fuses. Fuses play a vital role in protecting your vehicle's electrical components from damage caused by power surges or short circuits. Regularly testing and replacing fuses is an essential preventive task to maintain the integrity of your electrical system. To test a fuse, start by locating the fuse box. Refer to your vehicle's manual to identify the specific fuse associated with each electrical component. Once you've identified the fuse, carefully remove it using a fuse puller or a pair of needle nose pliers. Inspect the fuse for any signs of damage, such as a broken filament or a burnt appearance. If the fuse appears faulty, replace it with a new one of the same amperage rating. Inspecting and cleaning battery terminals. The battery terminals are responsible for providing a connection between the battery and the electrical system of your vehicle. Over time, corrosion can build up on the terminals, hindering the flow of electricity. Regularly inspecting and cleaning the battery terminals is essential to maintain a strong and reliable electrical connection. To inspect the battery terminals, start by disconnecting the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign, followed by the positive terminal, usually marked with a plus sign. Once the terminals are disconnected, visually inspect them for any signs of corrosion, such as a white or greenish powdery substance. If corrosion is present, clean the terminals using a mixture of baking soda and water or a specialized battery terminal cleaner. Gently scrub the terminals with a wire brush until they are clean and free of corrosion. Remember to reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Checking and replacing headlights and taillights. Properly functioning headlights and taillights are essential for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Regularly checking and replacing these lights is a simple yet important preventive task that should not be overlooked. To check your headlights and taillights, turn on your vehicle's lights and walk around your vehicle. Ensure that all lights are working correctly. These include brake lights, signal lights, high beams, and low beams. Lights that are dim, flickering, or not working at all, they may need to be replaced. To replace a headlight or taillight bulb, consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions. Typically, you'll need to access the back of the light assembly, remove the old bulb by twisting it counterclockwise, and install the new bulb by twisting it clockwise. Be careful not to touch the glass part of the new bulb with your fingers, as the oils from your skin can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. By regularly testing and replacing fuses, inspecting and cleaning battery terminals, and checking and replacing headlights and taillights, you can ensure that your vehicle's electrical system remains in good shape. These preventive tasks are relatively simple and can save you from costly repairs in the long run. Stay proactive in maintaining your vehicle, and it will reward you with reliable performance and a safer driving experience. A schedule of preventive tasks to keep your vehicle in good shape. Exterior and interior cleaning. Maintaining a clean and tidy vehicle not only enhances its appearance but also protects it from potential damage. Regular exterior and interior cleaning is an essential part of your vehicle maintenance routine. In this section, we will discuss the importance of washing and waxing the car, cleaning and vacuuming the interior, and treating leather or upholstery. Washing and waxing the car. Regularly washing and waxing your car is crucial for preserving its paint and finish. Washing your car removes dirt, grime, and road salt that can cause corrosion. It is recommended to use a mild car wash soap and a soft sponge or microfiber cloth to avoid scratching the paint surface. Start by rinsing the car thoroughly, then apply the soap and gently scrub the surface. Rinse again and dry with a clean cloth or chamois. After washing, applying a coat of wax provides an extra layer of protection. Waxing not only adds shine to the car but also helps to repel water and prevent damage from UV rays. Choose a high-quality car wax and apply it in a circular motion using a soft applicator pad. Allow the wax to dry and then buff it off with a clean cloth for a smooth and glossy finish. Cleaning and vacuuming the interior. Keeping the interior of your car clean not only creates a pleasant driving experience but also helps maintain its value. Regular cleaning and vacuuming will remove dust, dirt, and debris that can accumulate over time. Start by removing any loose items from the interior, such as trash or personal belongings. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth to dust off the dashboard, console, and other surfaces. For hard-to-reach areas, consider using a compressed air canister to blow out any trapped debris. When vacuuming the interior, pay attention to the floor mats, carpets, and upholstery. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to thoroughly clean these areas. If there are any spills or stains on the upholstery, Treat them with a suitable fabric cleaner following the manufacturer's instructions. Treating leather or upholstery. If your vehicle has leather seats or upholstery, it is essential to take extra care to keep them in good condition. Leather requires regular cleaning and conditioning to prevent cracking, fading, and drying out. Start by vacuuming the seats to remove any dirt or debris. Next, use a leather cleaner specifically designed for automotive use. Apply the cleaner to a soft cloth and gently wipe the seats in circular motions. Be sure to reach all the crevices and seams. After cleaning, apply a leather conditioner to keep the leather moisturized and supple. For fabric upholstery, use a fabric cleaner appropriate for your car's interior. Apply the cleaner to a clean cloth or sponge and gently scrub the seats. Rinse with a damp cloth and allow the upholstery to air dry. By following these preventive tasks for exterior and interior cleaning, you can ensure that your vehicle remains in good shape and retains its value. Regular washing, waxing, cleaning, vacuuming, and treating leather or upholstery will not only enhance the appearance of your car but also protect it from potential damage. A schedule of preventive tasks to keep your vehicle in good shape. Inspection and troubleshooting. Regular checkups with a mechanic. Regular checkups with a mechanic are essential for maintaining the health and performance of your vehicle. Just like you visit a doctor for routine checkups, your car also needs professional attention to ensure everything is in order. During these checkups, a mechanic will thoroughly inspect key components of your vehicle, including the engine, brakes, suspension, and electrical system. They will identify any potential issues or signs of wear and tear that could lead to bigger problems down the road. Addressing warning lights and unusual noises. Warning lights on your dashboard and unusual noises from your vehicle should never be ignored. These are clear indications that something is not right and requires immediate attention. When a warning light illuminates, it is a signal from your car's diagnostic system that a specific component or system is experiencing a problem. Ignoring warning lights can lead to further damage and expensive repairs. Similarly, unusual noises, such as grinding, squealing, or knocking sounds, can indicate issues with the engine, brakes, or other crucial parts. Promptly addressing these sounds can prevent further damage and potentially save you money in the long run. Identifying and fixing minor issues. Identifying and fixing minor issues as soon as they arise is crucial for keeping your vehicle in optimal condition. Small problems, if left unattended, can quickly escalate into major repairs. Regular inspections can help catch these issues early on. For example, a small oil leak may seem insignificant, but over time, it can lead to engine damage and costly repairs. By addressing minor issues promptly, you can prevent them from snowballing into more significant problems. Additionally, fixing minor issues gives you peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is running smoothly and efficiently. Incorporating these preventive tasks into your vehicle maintenance schedule will go a long way in ensuring the longevity and reliability of your car. Regular checkups with a mechanic will help identify potential issues, addressing warning lights and unusual noises will prevent further damage, and fixing minor issues promptly will keep your vehicle in top shape. By taking proactive measures, you can avoid unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs, ultimately saving time, money, and unnecessary stress. Stay tuned for the next section of our article, where we will discuss the importance of regular fluid checks and replacements in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Conclusion. In conclusion, maintaining a regular schedule of preventive tasks is vital to keeping your vehicle in good shape. By following these simple yet effective measures, you can save yourself from costly repairs and lengthen the life of your vehicle. Regularly check your tire pressure, change your oil and filters, inspect your brakes, and keep up with routine maintenance. Additionally, it is essential to pay attention to any warning signs or unusual noises that may indicate a problem with your vehicle. By being proactive and taking care of your vehicle, you can ensure a safe and smooth driving experience for years to come. Thanks for watching. We hope that you have learned something from this video. Please remember to comment, subscribe, and like us.